we did last week when you do the weave, spiral, and then you continue the turn in the same direction weave as you go around. But what we could do is, we're overhand here, we could do the spiral and then turn back. Do the spiral and turn back. Do the spiral and turn back. And that was me doing it to my right side, but you could do the same thing to your left side, where you turn the spiral, switch direction, then you're in underhand weave. So you'll come into the spiral from the other direction. Then you're back to overhand weave, and then you'll come into the spiral in the other first direction, and then you're back to underhand and you alternate between them. So it's just a static version of the turning one we did. Well, because I kept going to the left side, but you can do what you just did, where you go first to your left side, and then you go to your right side, then you go to your left side. That works too. Yes, I love it.